Alright guys, I got my Glock 17 here. Went ahead and did some modifications to it, nothing major. Well, it came out pretty well I thought, but almost pretty much doubled the value of the gun. Got some chrome pieces, accessory pieces, extended slide catch, polished in chrome, cat laser, and a brand new ported and polished stainless steel barrel from Storm Lake. I think it came out real well, and got a recoil reducer on the way, and pretty much I think after that I'll be done with it, but looks pretty cool. Tell me what you think.